What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Mike D. I'm back. It's been like a week or two. It's been really busy. I haven't had really time to post anything. I haven't really bought anything, so this is one of my first pickups in a while. And I just picked it up because I wanted to give you guys a look at it, give you my thoughts of it. I'll see what you guys say. Let's see. I'm gonna do this. Alright. Let's open this bad boy up. Again, Nike with that funky ass and the Just Do It tape, which nobody wants. And box. Read the tag, you'll know exactly what it is. It is the Air Jordan 9 Retro. Dreamitdoit. The retail price is $190, size 11.5. Take the lid off. You have your code right here, quality control. Regular garbage bag paper. And let's get these out. It's a controversial shoe. Either you hate it or you love it. Here we go. Dreamitdoit. It says it on the tongue right there. You got the green with the purple. 23 on the back. Stitched in gold. The 23 tab, your Jordan tab right there. White bottom, red Jumpman. I ain't gonna lie, the leather feels really nice. It's got that smell. Smell test approved, baby. And here they are together. And this one, green on the front, but then you got the hits of yellow on the back. It's got the purple on the top right there, whereas this one, it's got the red. This is your right shoe right here. This is your left. This one's got the red on the back. This one's got the purple. There's some very reminiscent. A lot of people say of like Martin Lawrence and the Martin Lawrence show back in years ago. So, but this shoe I think is better in person. It's very much better in person. I do like it a lot better. The pictures don't really do it justice. It is going to be a tough shoe for somebody to pull off because of all the colors, but if you're into that, I think it's really good. Yeah, I mean, nothing really crazy about it. It's a Jordan 9. The sock liner is that turquoise color. Let's see what we got on the inside. You got a red Jumpman on the sole inside, on the insole. Other than that, nothing crazy. Not a real super in-depth review, but I just wanted to give you guys a look at it, see what you thought. Like I said, the tongue is pretty cool. Dreamitdoit. I do like that. You got your black pull strap right here. There you have it. There you have it. It's the Jordan 9 Retro Dreamitdoit. It's a cool shoe. It is a cool shoe. A lot of people are hating on it. It's got that different, it's the different leather that they're putting on a lot of the new shoes. But it feels nice. It's nice. It's nice. They call it the senior citizen leather. But I like it. It's a nice shoe. So I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments what you guys think. And if you're new to this channel, if you're just seeing this video, go on and hit that like button. Why don't you subscribe to my channel? I'm gonna try to bring you more content as as the year goes on. Let's try to get this subscriber count up, get these likes up, and give me your feedback. Let me know what I'm doing good. Let me know what you want to see me do. Me and the wife are gonna do some more food videos, stuff like that. Maybe some challenges. So I'm tired. It's been a long day of work. So you guys let me know. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe down there, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Just trying to get comfortable with the booth again, people.